Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to log in truelancer account. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and if you want to log in with your with truelancer, you have two options or three options in that matter. You can log in with a personal email and password that you use to sign up, or you can easily log in with using Google or using Facebook. And by continuing to log in with Facebook or Google, you're gonna be able to log in with truelancer, and you're gonna be able to apply for jobs and all that. So you have three options to do so. You have your own personal email and password that you created on truelancer platform, or you can use the two-party websites or apps, for that matter, Google and Facebook, and you're gonna be able to start browsing and searching for talent or searching for jobs on truelancer. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.